Okay, next what you're going to watch me do here is, okay, this is the bottom gear. Now, these shafts have indentations on them right here, which helps putting this back together. And the shaft, when you put these on, is about an 1/8 inch below. I'll show you here. About an 1/8 inch below the surface. It's beveled, so it's the gear, but we're going to go ahead and slide that one off. Now, one thing I do with these is I mark where that edge is. Just in case. And you go straight across there. That's not real neat, but when you're putting the gear on, you kind of know where the center, the flat part of the shaft is. Then we're going to take our brand new one right here and put that on there. Start, and with this mark on here, it's where you want your Allen screw to be. So we're going to start snugging this up just a bit. Don't want it real tight in case I have to adjust it. Okay, that's snug. We're going to unsnug it. Right about there. Come on, focus. Trying to get that in a position where you can see that it's just below the surface. And I'm going to go ahead and tighten that down. Okay, what we're going to do now, since we got the bottom gear on here, and if I didn't note before, the old ones were American, the new ones are metric 2.5. So we're going to flip this over like so, and you'll see this hole over here. We're going to put that in and just leave it like so, because we can't put this gear in place. It's kind of hard to show you. You have to put it in like this, tilt it, and we'll be in good shape. So, now with your hands, you're going to want to walk that into place, and it's going to want to fall back into the machine. Every machine's different, and every part's different. So we're going to rotate this till you can see through this hole here. You want to see your set screw. I don't have multiple cameras, so I can't do the multiple camera angle thing. So that's about in place. You want to, okay, that gear's going to want to wander off. So you got to reach in and hold it with 2 fingers with this hand right here until you get it centered on that shaft. And I did the same thing with this. I put a mark on the shaft, and you got to look down in there and make sure that's lined up. And the mark I put is not lined up. So I'm going to rotate this right about there. There's also a line I put down on the shaft here. It tells me where to line this up. Yep, now we're definitely right where it should be. the shaft drops out from down below. They're in good shape. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to snug this up enough that it still slips on the shaft. Okay, that's tight. That's just a little loose, so that I can fine-tune where we're at. You don't want these gears so tight that the bushings are up. You want a little bit of play, and I just mean a little. So if I do that, and then tighten that, hear that? That's the other part of it bouncing off the other. And then you can tell if you got it right, if you're able to freely spin it, like I am, and it doesn't bind up, which it's not. So we're doing good. And then you look down.